Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Spring Porter with Spring Solutions LLC. In this video, I'm covering a second deal that I got from the Southern District of New York. If you're interested in working in this district, please stay tuned and please be aware that it's very difficult to work in this district. Please know that I am not an attorney. This information is not indicated as legal advice. Sometimes I feel like a news announcer in the way that I'm presenting information to you. I can't help it. That's the way that I speak. I know that's kind of random, but I'm always saying the same thing, and that kind of reminds me of a news announcer. But at any rate, Southern District of New York is difficult. I will post a link to the previous video that I did covering that deal so that you can basically see what I was speaking about. Also know if you're in the $750 program, the main program, I do have that case file listed in there. I think it's somewhere under lesson 10 or right before the bonus section. I cover this district and I give you my case file for that particular case so that you can see what I included, what I wrote, what they were actually looking for, because all of that is important. The reason why this district is difficult again is because they restrict a lot of their documentation. Like you can't pull certain things from PACER. You can't even pull your own file from PACER. It's just really weird. They restrict everything. They also have their leads on a separate database on their website. So it's not on the national locator at all. And the way that they have that information is difficult because it's not a full PDF file. You have to actually type in like random acronyms or names to actually pull leads, or if you know a case number. So all that's difficult. They're down staff. I was told over the holiday that they were missing out on like they had a few vacant positions, so they're trying to fill those. So all of that makes it difficult as your information is going to take longer to be processed. In addition to that, they also require certain documentation to support your application to the court that you typically would not need in most districts. You do need in this one. So all of that makes it difficult. The level of difficulty is probably like a 9, 10 compared to other districts that I've worked. But the flip side of that, they don't work. You don't have to have an attorney to work in this district. So they do work with third parties, and you do get an EFT payment, right? So if you can kind of weed through that and figure out exactly what's going on in your case, you can, the deals will work. So this one is from 2018. What makes this case unique is the debtor actually got a successful discharge. He filed a whole bankruptcy case by himself, a Chapter 13 that is, and he got a successful discharge, which is really not, it's very uncommon for someone to file pro se a Chapter 13 to have it successfully completed because it's a lot of difficult documents that you have to include. But at any rate, it was an overpayment. I think he overpaid in what he was supposed to pay to the court. And just a background story, Chapter 13s are 3 to 5 years. You have to pay into a plan, and sometimes those payment plans change. So you could have a certain amount, maybe 12 months or 24 months, and then it may go up or it may go down, toward the end. So he probably at some point was making extra payments or making an overpayment each time. And at the end of the case, when the trustee does their final reporting and their accounting, this is what showed up as a refund. So the debtor moved. That basically is always the issue, is someone moved, not notifying the court. So I reached out to the client and basically it worked. So my takeaway is 27%, which is $1,000. That's from the 3659 is what the debtor was getting back. So he is happy to get that back. And then again, I filed it right before Thanksgiving, and it was just issued on the 5th of January. So it did take some time. You see the judge's electronic signature and the seal here at the bottom. So now that this is the second one under my belt, I do have a third one also in this district. I'm hoping that will go smoother, but we'll see. This is a little bit difficult to work in, but you can do it. If you're a student of mine and you are interested in working in this district and you have questions or level, you're trying to figure out what's going on, you're facing difficulty, please let me know. Please email me. I'll be sure to help you. And also please be aware again of that case file that I went. You may want to look at that and like double check what you have and kind of do it from there to make sure you have everything in a row, everything dotted and crossed that needs to be. So if you have any questions about the program, or you're interested, or you are a student, again, always email me at springsolutionsllc@gmail.com, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.